Hi friends, today I am with the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen. In this video I am going to show you what are the box content. I will also show you what is the difference between the 3rd Gen and the 2nd Gen. Should you buy the 3rd Gen or not? And little bit of the installation and the setup process. We will also go through with some of the shortcuts which are available, the software features and few more details. I will request you guys to hold on for a little bit longer so that you can know each and every detail of Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen. So let's start the video first. This is the Fire TV Cube box. It is written Wi-Fi 6 4K HDR. It comes with the high dynamic range. It is an octa-core processor, HDMI in. It comes with, and there are few more things which we will talk later on this video. Currently, this is the most powerful streaming device from Amazon, and in the box what we are getting, this is the Fire TV Cube. There is remote, there is two AA batteries, and there are few more things which I will show. So let's start with the remote first. The remote is looking a little bit taller. It weighs around 51 grams. The previous generation was little bit shorter. Now this is the main Fire TV Cube. This comes with the fabric wrap. This comes with the completely new look what we got in the previous generation. It has more ports. I will show you in detail with the second generation later on. In this box we are getting a power adapter and some paperwork. So this is the power adapter. You can pause the video and check the power rating. Comes with some of the paperwork. I definitely recommend you guys to go through this. It comes with the HDMI 2.1 input output. It has IR extender, power, USB A 2.0 Ethernet port and 4 mics in the top. And the bottom it is written Fire TV Cube. On the top you are getting volume up and down buttons. You have a mute button. Now let's compare with the 2nd Gen and the 3rd Gen. 2nd Gen comes with a glossy finish and the 3rd Gen comes with the fabric finish. 2nd Gen has less number of ports, whereas the 3rd Gen comes with a lot number of ports. You can pause the video and check the ports also. Coming to the 2nd Gen, it has 8 mics, but the 4 mics in 3rd Gen are more powerful. The weight of the 3rd Gen is 513 grams, whereas the weight of the 2nd Gen is 465 grams. If we talk about the overall remote, the remote of 3rd Gen is bit taller. It weighs around 51 grams. The weight of the previous generation comes around 43.4 grams. If you can see, few of the extra buttons are given in the remote, which includes the reset button. There is the channel up and down button. Also there is a setting button. Now coming to the overall, the previous generation is a hexa-core processor, but the new one is a octa-core processor. Both are 2 GB RAM, both comes with the 16 GB of internal storage, both can play 4K videos, both has a Dolby Vision and both supports HDR. The Wi-Fi 6E is present only in the newer version. Here you can see this is the HDMI in and HDMI out cable. This you will require to purchase separately, and the performance of the 3rd Gen is 20% more than the 2nd Gen. Now I will show you how to install it. The things are very easier. You have to put a HDMI in back of the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen and one in your HDMI port in TV. Then you have to choose the language, and once you choose it, you will ask to require to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. I definitely recommend you guys to have a strong internet connection with a high-speed internet connection, because it will easily and frequently stream your device. It will not be difficult. Now it will ask you to choose the language. Just be patient, because this will take some time. It will do the restart couple of times. So you need a proper internet connection. Once it is done, you can see it will install the complete latest software, and if the software is being installed, after that it will ask you to do the next step. So it will take some minute, but be patient with this. Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen is made in 2023, whereas the Fire TV Cube 2nd Gen came in 2019. Now the price is the difference here. The 2019 is still available in India. It is around 9,000, whereas the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen is available for around 14,000. So there is a little bit difference in the price, but I will definitely recommend if you can go for the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen, you should go for it. It is a very fast processor. The octa-core processor can show you that performance in that. It has the additional USB, so you can directly put a pen drive and do the streaming, or you can access that. The new remote is the 3rd gen Alexa voice remote, but it have some additional buttons. Now it will tell you to sign in online, or you can also go through scanning the QR code. Whichever is easy, you can go through that process. And after that, it will tell you that you have been registered with the account. You can go and save the password to Amazon, and it will check some of the backups. And if there is a backup or the apps, it will try to restore. Now there is an option to restore or skip. Currently you can see I am restoring from the Fire TV Cube. It will take some more time, so be patient with that also. Once it is done, then it will ask that if you have a speaker, you can set that up, or the stereo process can be done. Now there is one more thing, the Fire TV Cube should be at least 1 meter or 2 meter away from the TV. It shouldn't be very close to the TV. So you should maintain the distance, which is a specific distance you should have for it. And after that, if you have a DTH connection, you can pair with that. So everything can be synced. It will take some time, but things will be organized very easy way. Now it will ask you to install the apps, any additional apps if you want to install, but currently I don't want to install any additional app. I will continue. There will be little bit optimization, then it will ask you want to have a data monitor or not. Currently I have a unlimited plan of internet, so I will definitely skip that part. Now here you can see there is an input, search, home, there is live TV and saved, which is a watch list. So in input you are getting a media and HDMI port. If you go to settings, in there you can see the equipment control. It has few settings, and in that add equipment control TV, Fire TV Cube. Then there is a manage equipment control. Even in the display also you have few settings. I will definitely recommend you guys to go and check it. Go and check the display option because it has always on HDR and few more settings. Just try and check it. Now going to the input setting. In the input, if you have a pen drive, just put it. It will give you an access to your files, images, videos and few more things. There is a media player and there is a HDMI. Even if you have an external software like VLC, you can play the video through it. So the best part is that if you have a movie or picture or a family video, you can try and check it out. So that is a good part, and you can install completely all the OTT apps which are available in India are currently present in the Fire OS. So you can definitely install them and try them out. It comes with the voice support where you don't have to pick the remote and do the things by command, which is very easy, and I will definitely recommend you guys to try that out. In the Alexa voice remote, even you have a dedicated Alexa button where you can trigger it by voice. You can turn on the TV, you can increase or decrease the volume, you can go to any of the channel subscription, even you can check out any of the OTT app or even any TV series or movie which is available currently streaming. Even you can ask weather and the different Alexa controls. So let's do a live demo of Alexa. Alexa, watch Fuzzy. Once you give the command, it will trigger directly and start with the Fuzzy. It works very smoothless and flawless. Now one thing I will tell you, you have to be little bit patient to stream it in a 4K. You can see it streams in a 4K video, which means it has a resolution of 3840 into 2160 pixels, which is a great. Even it comes with the Dolby Vision. It has a HDR, HDR10 and HDR10 plus support. It also supports PIP mode, which is picture in picture. So if you have front camera installed in your doorbell, you can make it PIP, picture in picture mode, so that you can also stream the OTT app and also make it PIP mode to check out the front camera what is happening. It is running on Fire OS, which is the in-house OS, and the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen is currently the most powerful streaming device on Android and also by Amazon. There is only one competition, which is the Apple TV 4K, though you will not find all the apps compatible in it, but in this you will find all the apps compatible which is available in the Android store. So this is all about the Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.